Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, air conditioning, dual airbags, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, heated front seats, electronic stability control, overhead console. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.